So we are fitting the Milltek OPF back, and the first thing we've got to do is cut the OPF system, and obviously we've got to fit this wonderful new Milltek OPF back. In the system you've got the new pipes, you've got the new underbody brace to fit the new pipe in, you've also got brackets to fit the OE valve control unit, back box and the black tips. The good thing about this system is they use the original valve system. They do come with a spring from the Milltek kit which places into there, and all you simply do is fit it and bolt it on. So the exhaust is now offered up. The way we did it was we built the old system onto the floor and then offered it back onto the OPF systems. Next couple of things left to do is to fit the tips and the new Milltek brace. Right, exhaust is now fitted, nice and easy, probably took us about an hour and a half max. It looks the part, it's going to sound the part, also uses the OE valves. Right, so we're going to end up with doing a couple of revs now. You've got the before video and we're going to show you the after video.